Hi everyone! If you're watching this video, chances are you're dealing with a very stressful situation. Digital blackmail. First, take a deep breath. You're not alone. This video is here to guide you through this difficult time and offer practical steps to protect yourself and get rid of any compromising material. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is stay calm and avoid doing anything impulsive. Blackmailers thrive on fear and panic. Take some time to calm down before you take any action. Next, gather all the information you have about the blackmail. Save all messages, emails, screenshots, anything that can serve as evidence. This might be unpleasant, but it's crucial for reporting the crime later. Now it's time to secure your digital life. Change all your passwords immediately. Use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security and makes unauthorized access much harder. It's also important to scan your devices for malware. Now it's time to contact Sociotech, as we are going to help you get rid of these threat proofs on the devices quickly with our highly appreciated software. Blackmailers often use malware to gain access to your sensitive information. Once we make sure your digital surrounding is secured, you will not have to worry anymore. Contact Sociotech today. If you are going through this blackmail phase, we have saved more than 35 victims from a similar situation. You don't have to go through this alone. It's always wise to report the blackmail to us immediately, and we will contact the concerned platforms through which the blackmailer contacted you. Many social media and email providers have protocols in place to deal with these situations too. Now let's talk about removing the compromising content. If the blackmailer has shared or is threatening to share sensitive content, we can file removal requests with websites and social media platforms as part of our first protocol. We'll provide them with all the evidence and details of the situation. Most platforms take these requests seriously and will act quickly to remove the content. Remember, dealing with digital blackmail is a serious matter, and getting it fully resolved can take time. Be patient and persistent. Your mental health is just as important as your digital security, so consider contacting us at Sociotech if you're feeling overwhelmed. Let's recap. Stay calm and avoid acting impulsively. Gather evidence. Secure your digital life by changing your passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Scan your devices for malware. Seek support and report the blackmail to us as soon as possible. We take over from there. You are stronger than you think. By taking these steps, you can take back control and protect yourself from digital blackmail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and solutions.